Step inside this cozy southern kitchen where every corner tells a story and every detail feels like a gentle embrace. Here, the air is thick with the scent of melted butter, sugar, and something sweet baking in the oven, an aroma that instantly makes you feel at home. Sunlight pours through the window, casting golden rays that make the dust motes dance and the whole kitchen glow with warmth. On the counter, a big yellow bowl and a bag of cornmeal sit ready, surrounded by the simple ingredients that make Southern cooking so special. This is where the magic happens, a place filled with laughter, stories, and the comforting aroma of home-cooked meals shared with loved ones. Today, we're making a recipe passed down through generations. True Southern cornbread, a dish that carries the heart and soul of family tradition. Picture claymation figures bustling about, a friendly grandma in a flour-dusted apron, a curious clay dog at her feet, and the gentle hum of activity all around. The kitchen is full of charm, checkered tablecloth, wildflowers in a jar, and old family photos that remind us of those who came before. This isn't just a kitchen, it's the heart of the home, where memories are made and love is always in the air. Cornbread here is more than food. It's tradition, a warm hug on a plate, and a symbol of togetherness at every meal. Grandma will guide us every step of the way, from mixing the batter with care to pulling the hot golden skillet from the oven. She believes the best food is made with simple, honest ingredients and a generous helping of love and patience. Pull up a chair and get comfortable. There's always room for one more at the table in this kitchen. Our claymation journey begins now, as little clay hands measure, pour, and mix, bringing the recipe to life with every careful movement. This isn't just about following a recipe, it's about making a memory, sharing laughter, and creating something special together. Get ready to discover why a simple pan of cornbread holds so much history, happiness, and the true taste of Southern hospitality. Cornbread's story begins with Native Americans who grew maize and ground it into cornmeal. They mixed it with water and salt, cooking it on hot stones for a nourishing bread. When settlers arrived, they learned from the Native Americans and adopted corn as their main grain. Wheat didn't thrive in the South, but corn did, becoming the foundation of Southern cooking. Over time, cornbread evolved. Eggs, buttermilk, and cast iron skillets created the crispy crust we love. Cornbread became a symbol of Southern identity, eaten with greens, beans, and stews. During hard times, it was often the only food on the table, a testament to its humble power. Every golden bite carries the South's history of resilience and comfort. Cornbread is more than food, it's a story of survival and community. Southern cornbread needs just a few honest, wholesome ingredients to shine. Start with finely ground yellow cornmeal, the heart and soul of the bread, giving it its signature texture. Add tangy buttermilk for tenderness and flavor, making every bite moist and delicious. Crack in an egg for richness and structure, helping everything come together perfectly. Melted bacon drippings, butter, or oil add moisture and depth, infusing the bread with savory notes. Baking soda and baking powder help it rise, while a pinch of salt brings out all the wonderful flavors. Imagine our claymation grandma mixing these simple ingredients with care and a gentle touch. That's all it takes to create something truly comforting, warm, and delicious for everyone to enjoy. Our claymation grandma preheats her cast iron skillet in a hot oven. This is key for a crispy crust. The heat from the skillet will help the batter sizzle the moment it hits the pan, creating that signature golden edge. She mixes cornmeal, a bit of flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt in a big bowl. These dry ingredients are the foundation of our cornbread, giving it structure and that classic flavor. In another bowl, she whisks together an egg and buttermilk. The buttermilk adds a subtle tang and keeps the crumb moist and tender. The hot skillet comes out, and she melts butter or bacon drippings in it, swirling to coat. This step infuses the cornbread with rich, savory flavor and ensures nothing sticks. Most of the melted fat goes into the wet ingredients, leaving some in the pan. This way, every bite is extra flavorful and the crust gets even crispier. Wet meets dry, she stirs gently, just until combined. Over-mixing would make the bread tough, so a light hand is best. The batter is thick and lumpy, perfect for tender cornbread. Those lumps mean the batter isn't overworked. She pours it into the sizzling skillet. Listen for that satisfying sizzle as the batter hits the hot pan, and pops it back in the oven, ready to bake to perfection. The magic begins as the crust forms instantly. That's the secret to a crunchy, golden bottom. Now, we wait as the kitchen fills with anticipation. The aroma of baking cornbread fills the air, making everyone hungry. This simple process transforms humble ingredients into something special. It's a little bit of kitchen magic right before your eyes. Soon we'll have golden, crispy cornbread to share. It's perfect for family dinners or cozy gatherings. The anticipation is part of the joy, making that first bite even more rewarding. Every Southern cook has secrets for perfect cornbread. The biggest debate? Sugar. Traditional Southern cornbread is savory, no sugar needed. Some add a spoonful for a touch of sweetness, making it more cake-like. The choice is yours. Team no sugar or team a little sugar. For the best flavor, many swear by bacon drippings in the skillet. Variations abound. Add cheddar for cheesy cornbread, jalapenos for heat, or corn kernels for extra texture. The secret is starting with a great base and making it your own. Cornbread is about tradition, but also creativity. Make it the way your family loves. In the South, cornbread is woven into family memories. It's the smell of Sunday dinner, the centerpiece at holidays, and the taste of home. Many remember grandmothers pouring batter into a hot skillet. The sizzle is the sound of love. Cornbread pairs with beans, stews, and is the star of Thanksgiving dressing. Every family has their own twist, making it a cherished tradition. Sharing cornbread is sharing community and hospitality. Passing the skillet around the table is more than a meal. It's sharing stories and love. Cornbread connects generations, one golden piece at a time. The timer buzzes, and the house fills with a glorious aroma, a scent that instantly brings back memories of family gatherings and cozy evenings. Grandma pulls the skillet from the oven, cornbread risen, golden, and crisp at the edges, a masterpiece of simple, home-cooked perfection. She sets it on the table, and everyone admires the perfect circle of sunshine, a symbol of warmth and togetherness. Cutting into it, the crust crunches and steam rises, carrying the scent of toasted corn, a fragrance that promises comfort and delight. A pat of butter melts into the hot wedge, seeping into every nook, making each bite rich and indulgent. The first bite is pure comfort, crunchy crust, tender center, rich corn flavor, and a hint of tang from buttermilk, a perfect balance of textures and tastes. It's not too sweet, just perfectly savory and satisfying, a true testament to traditional recipes passed down through generations. Around the table, faces glow with happiness and laughter, each bite bringing joy and a sense of belonging. In this moment, cornbread is more than food. It's a taste of home, a connection to our roots and our loved ones. It's Sunday dinners, holiday celebrations, and the comfort of belonging, a staple in our most cherished memories. This humble bread connects generations and creates lasting memories, a simple dish that carries so much meaning. Each bite is a reminder of love and tradition, a taste that brings back the best moments of our lives. And as you savor it, you know this feeling will stay with you forever, a timeless comfort that never fades.